Meet the barn owl, nature's silent hunter of the night. With heart-shaped faces and ghostly white feathers, they're mesmerizing. They can hunt in total darkness, using only their ears. And nope, they don't hoot, they screech. These owls are not only beautiful, but they're also vital for controlling rodent populations. One barn owl can eat over 1,000 rodents a year. These loyal birds mate for life and reuse the same nest every year. From barns to deserts, they live on every continent except Antarctica. Spooky, silent, and surprisingly sweet, the barn owl is a feathered legend. Want to see more of these incredible creatures? Hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing wildlife shorts.